OFW ka rin bang katulad ko? Handa ka na bang umuwi ng Pilipinas? Meron ka na bang sapat na ipon? Nakapag-invest ka na ba? May emergency funds ka na rin ba? If the answer is no, let me tell you the things na kailangan mong iwasan kung gusto mo nang mag-for good sa Pilipinas sa lalong madaling panahon. Keep on watching. Dynamiters, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and again, this is at the Dynamight Effect. It's been a long time since the last time na nag-vlog po ako, and that's because, fortunately, unluckily, ayan, nag-positive po tayo. COVID-19 positive is real! Today we're back, and of course, no one can stop us from sharing enlightenments and of course mga videos on how to reach our goal for financial freedom. Today, I'm gonna share with you the common money mistakes that OFW is doing and how to avoid them. At kung bago ka lang sa akin channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell, sama mo yung all para updated ka sa mga latest uploads and videos ng Dynamite Effect. Napakasarap ng pakiramdam na magfo-for good ka na, tuwi ka na sa family mo for good. Kung may sapat kang pera na makakapag-sustain ng mga pangangailangan mo kapag nasa Pilipinas ka na. Yung tipong naghirap ka sa ibang bansa na napakatagal na panahon, na pagdating mo sa Pilipinas is may-enjoy mo yung pera mo and you have sufficient amount of money to sustain your living with your family. There are over 2 million Filipinos OFW all over the world. And did you know that 1 out of 10 is financially broke and 8 out of 10 are umuwi ng Pilipinas na walang savings or not enough savings, substantial amount of money in their bank account. Despite how many years na nagtatrabaho dito sa ibang bansa, still hindi pa rin nakakaipon. But the question is, why? Bakit? So today, if you are striving or if you're aiming to be financially successful, these are the things that we have to avoid to be financially successful bilang OFW. So, isa sa mga problema ng mga OFW is number 1, hindi tayo marunong magtipid, hindi tayo marunong magsubi ng pera, we don't have savings and emergency funds. Diba lagi natin sinasabi na kapag nakuha mo na yung sahod mo, huwag mo kakalimutan, bayaran muna ang unang-una mong kailangan bayaran ang sarili mo. So, pay yourself first. Pagdating ng sahod mo, kahit magkano yung sahod mo yan, magtabi ka na kagad para sa sarili mo. Tabi mo yan. And then, kung ano yung matitira, yun na yung gagasusin mo. Doon ka lang kukuha ng pampadala sa Pilipinas at dapat turuan mo din ang inyong mga kamag-anak sa Pilipinas. Dapat turuan natin sila na magtipid ng pera. Bakit? Hindi naman tayo forever sa ibang bansa. So, kailangan meron din silang tinatabing savings. They should know how to grow the money also na pinapadala mo. Mag-save ka na para sa emergency funds mo. Always remember, you should have at least 6 months equivalent ng inyong sahod as your emergency funds. 3 to 6 months is ideal amount of money that you should have for your emergency funds. Para saan yan? In case na may mga ganitong klaseng pandemic na dumating or may mga emergencies, nawalan tayo ng trabaho, na lay off tayo, or nabawasan ng sahod natin, at least meron tayong pang-buffer, meron tayong pang-suporta sa ating mga needs. Pangalawang pagkakamali ng mga OFW pagdating sa pera ay hindi natin alam ang pagkakaiba ng assets at liabilities. Sabi nga ni Robert Kiyosaki, ang asset ay mga bagay na pumapasok sa loob ng bulsa mo at ang liabilities is perang lumalabas sa bulsa mo. Ngayon, bilang OFW, kapag nakapag-ipon ka na, nakapag-save ka na, kailangan ng mga bagay na binibili mo is something that would help you pagkakakitaan mo. Let's say, pag bumili ka ng cellphone, ang cellphone ba magiging asset ba sa'yo or liabilities? Kung sa tingin mo, kung bibili ka ng bagong phone, ay may improve nito ang pag-grow or paggawa mo ng pera. Let's say, ginagamit mo siya for online business, ginagamit mo siya for things that would help you earn money, then why not? Pero kung bibili ka ng gamit just to show off, hindi mo naman ginagamit for things that would help you earn money, then it's liabilities. Pagbili ng sasakyan, pag bumili ka na ng sasakyan, do you think it's gonna be an asset or liabilities? Pag bumili ka ng bahay or bahay at lupa or ng condo unit or ng real estate, would it be an asset for you or is it gonna be a liabilities? So you have to differentiate, you have to know the difference between asset and liabilities. At ang pangatlo is we get into the get rich easy or get rich quick scheme. May nakita kang investment. Kita mo sa social media na you're gonna get rich or you're gonna earn money on this one over a short period of time, which is too good to be true. Iwasan mo yan. So yung mga bagay na investment, like mga scheme na mga networking, very, very impossible na wala namang proof to, wala ka naman nakikita, then you're gonna pay money, invest money. Iwasan po natin yan. So let's not trust those kind of scheme na you're gonna have a return of investment, na malaking return of investment over a short period of time. Pang-apat na pagkakamali ng mga OFW is yung we tend to overspend. Pagdating ng sahod, since wala tayong goals, sobra-sobra, minsan sobra-sobrang pagpapampered sa sarili, nagsumusobra tayo sa gastos na hindi natin alam kung saan napupunta ang pera natin. Pag mga OFW pa, dapat meron kang notebook, anything that you could help you para ma-budget mo yung pera mo kung saan napupunta. We have to track our expenses. Saan ba napupunta ang pera natin? Saan natin ginagastos ang pera natin? We should have a list of it. Magkano pumapasok, magkano lumalabas. So we should budget our money. At of course, we have this nakakahiya mentality. Isa pa yan sa mga problema ng mga OFW. Libre dito, libre doon. Because nahihiya tayo. Isipin nyo na pinaghirapan ninyo yung pera, and that is only should be for your family. Kasi you're working for your family, you're not working for your neighborhood, you're not working for other people. Let's say nagbakasyon ka, or let's say may nag-message sa'yo, may nagbebenta sa'yo, kakilala or old, school friends, dahil out of hiya, kahit you don't really need it, you tend to buy it. Hindi mo napapansin that you're overspending na, or it's not, you're out of the budget, kahit sobrang mahal, because yun nga, nahihiya ka, you tend to buy. We should be, smart enough to choose whether we really need something. One more thing, pagdating sa mga balikbayan box, right? So, ikaw nagpapakahirap ka, you're earning money, you tend to buy a lot of things na hindi naman necessary at hindi rin naman para sa family mo. So, minsan kapag nagpapabox ka, ay, si ganito kailangan bigyan, si ganito kailangan bigyan. So, you tend to, impress other people or to please other people, which is a no. Sometimes you have to say no. Learn to say no at times because it would definitely help you. Always remember na at the end of the day, kapag walang-wala ka na, umuwi ka ng Pilipinas at wala kang savings at hindi ka nakapag-ipon at wala kang aasahan na ibang tao kundi ang sarili mo. There's nothing wrong with helping your family members, but always remember that your family should not be too dependent on you. And another mistake na meron tayo is that we lack knowledge on how to grow our money. Sometimes yan, dahil sa kakulangan, sa kaalaman kung paano natin mapapalago ang pera natin, hindi tayo even trying on how to grow our money. There are a lot of investment opportunities para sa mga OFW like real estate, mutual funds, stock market. We have lot of opportunities para sa mga OFW. But because of lack of knowledge, sometimes we don't know how to start it, where to start it, right? Even if you have that desire to start something, but you don't know where to put it, yun yung problema. So, I believe that financial education should be the priority for all OFW. Financially educated tayo. Kasi sayang yung panahon na ini-invest natin, yung panahon na ginugugol natin sa ibang bansa, kung hindi natin alam kung paano natin mapapalago ang ating mga pera. And I believe that financial literacy is the best weapon against any financial scam, para hindi tayo ma-scam, para hindi mapunta sa wala ang ating perang pinaghihirapan. At ang pang-pito is we lack goals in mind. Okay, so as an OFW, bago ka pa pumunta dito, what do you have in mind? Or what are your goals? What are your short-term and long-term goals? Kung bakit ka nandito or bakit ka nagtrabaho overseas. Pero kung wala ka niyan, you're gonna be in great trouble. You will be bound to overspend money if you don't have any goals set para sa sarili mo. So try to envision the future. Ano ba yung gusto mo marating? What is your short-term and long-term goal? What do you want to do? Let's say, for example, you wanted to settle all your debts, lahat ng utang natin, mabayaran natin, and makapag-ipon tayo ng pera. So what are your long-term goals? It could be because you wanted to make sure that your kids makatapos ng pag-aaral, nagpapaaral ka ng kapatid mo, or you wanna buy a house and that, you wanna buy a land. You need to set the goals in mind because that would be your guide and it would serve as your motivation to work harder for your family. Kung bakit ka nagtatrabaho, bakit ka nagpapatuloy, bakit hindi ka nag-give up, because you have a goal in mind that you wanted to achieve at the end of the day. So again, that's the 7 common mistakes na ginagawa natin kung bakit hindi tayo nagsasucceed bilang OFW. And we don't want to be part of those 1 out of 10 na financially broke. We don't want to be part of those 8 out of 10 walang savings na umuwi ng Pilipinas na wala rin tayong naiuwing pera. Again, para sa mga OFW na katulad ko, don't let your sacrifices go down the drain. Mistakes are preventable, but they are not erasable. May iwasan natin, pero hindi natin siya mabubura. So while we still can change these bad habits na meron tayo, do it and always have a goal in mind. We all want a brighter future for our family. That's the reason why we have chosen this path, searching for a greener pasture. Don't waste your time, don't waste your hard-earned money na pinaghirapan natin dito sa ibang bansa. Again, we are lucky enough that we have been chosen and hired by the company that we're working with right now. Make the most out of it. Make the most out of your hard-earned funds while we still can save money and invest for your future. Don't let your sacrifice go into drain. So once again, Dynamiters, if you've learned something today, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me that big thumbs up. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you get updated sa ating mga latest uploads and videos. Once again, Dynamiters, thank you so much for watching. And always remember, never stop learning and keep educating yourself. Bye everyone and see ya. Nadadala tayo sa mga if hindi ka pa handa of course